Hey there streamers, if you're grappling with lags and freezes during your streams due to a low-end PC, fret not. Today I'll walk you through optimizing Streamlabs settings for a smooth streaming experience without compromising on quality. So, let's get started. If you've encountered issues streaming at 1080p, consider downgrading to 720p for better performance. This ensures stability and enhances your streaming experience. Open Streamlabs and navigate to Settings. Head to Output. Choose the Advanced mode and adjust the following settings. For encoder, use your GPU encoder, NVIDIA for example. For bitrate, start at 3000 and adjust based on your PC performance. Consider lowering to 2500 if needed. For keyframe interval, set to 2. For preset, choose quality. Profile, keep it at a high. And for max B-frames, set to 2. Other settings, go to Audio. Adjust the audio bitrate to 160. Set up separate audio tracks for desktop audio and your microphone. In the video settings, set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor, for example, 1080p or 720p. For output, select 1280 by 720 or 720p and choose bicubic as the downscale filter. Adjust common FPS to either 30 or 25 depending on your content. After applying these settings, test your stream. If issue persists, consider trying the bilinear downscale filter. It's a trial and error process, so find the balance that suits your PC capabilities. For an enhanced streaming experience, consider upgrading to Streamlabs Prime. And there you have it! Optimized Streamlabs settings tailored for low-end PCs. If this guide proves helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and level up your streaming game. Until next time, bye-bye!